Welcome back, fellow travelers. You're watching Travel Vibe, your go-to channel for all things travel and adventure. In today's video, we're going to share some valuable tips on how to find affordable and reliable accommodations using online platforms. So, let's dive right in. When it comes to budget travel, one of the biggest expenses is accommodation. But fear not. The internet has made it easier than ever to find great deals and hidden gems. Here are some tips to help you find the perfect place to stay without breaking the bank. Start with trustworthy platforms. There are plenty of online platforms dedicated to helping travelers find accommodations. Stick to well-known and reputable platforms like Airbnb, Booking.com, or Hostelworld. These platforms have a wide range of options and offer user reviews and ratings, ensuring a reliable booking experience. Set your budget. Before you start your search, determine your accommodation budget. Setting a clear budget will help you filter out options that are beyond your price range, saving you time and effort. Be flexible with dates and locations. Flexibility is key to finding affordable accommodations. Consider adjusting your travel dates or exploring alternative neighborhoods or cities within your destination. Being open to different options can lead to significant savings. Utilize filters. Host. When using online platforms, take advantage of the filters available. Filters allow you to narrow down your search based on criteria such as price, amenities, guest ratings, and more. By using filters wisely, you can find accommodations that meet your specific needs and budget. Read reviews and ratings. Reviews and ratings are gold mines of information. Take the time to read what previous guests have said about their stay. Look for consistent positive feedback regarding cleanliness, location, and the host's responsiveness. This will help you make an informed decision and avoid any unpleasant surprises. Reach out to hosts. Don't hesitate to reach out to hosts if you have questions or specific requirements. Many hosts are accommodating and willing to provide additional information or even negotiate prices, especially if you're staying for an extended period or during off-peak seasons. So, send them a friendly message and see if they can offer you a better deal. Consider alternative accommodations. Host. Remember, accommodations go beyond traditional hotels. Consider staying in hostels, guest houses, or vacation rentals. These alternatives often provide a unique and authentic experience while being more budget-friendly. Book in advance. Last but not least, book your accommodations in advance. Prices tend to rise as availability decreases, so securing your stay early can save you money. Plus, you'll have more options to choose from, and there you have it, fellow adventurers. These tips will help you find affordable and reliable accommodations for your next trip. Remember to do your research, read reviews, and be flexible. Happy travel!